Hello and welcome to Study Tea. Today I'll be showing you my 2021 bullet journal spread. Here I'm using a new bullet journal from Amanda Rach Lee's shop. This is not a sponsored video. So this is what the first page on the inside looks like. There are many different doodles on the inside and I have blocked my name for privacy reasons. Next we have the official first page, where I have decided to start with a spread that will help me plan future spreads. And then we jump into the actual 2021 spread. On the left I have a Hello 2021 quote / wording, and I have written there, hopefully better than 2020. And then I have the future log here, and I have circled specific dates. Next, we have another quote. A common theme that I want to incorporate this year are many quotes into my spreads. This one says 365 new days, 365 new chances. On the right, we have a mood tracker spread, and I've included the whole entire year's mood tracker here so I can save some space in the rest of the spreads for the rest of the year. I'm excited to see what this looks like at the end of the year. The last two spreads that I have are a reflecting section on 2020 and a new resolution section for 2021. I plan to fill these throughout the year and reflect on both years. I've already started to write a few things not pictured here, but I hope to really expand this section and reflect on myself. And the last spread that I have is a memories page where I hope to include pictures and fun quotes from the year. This way I can look back. And here's a little sneak peek into next month's spread, January. So that's all I have. This is my minimalist spread for 2021. Thanks for watching, and I hope you consider subscribing.